By clicking on Make a Request on the upper right corner of the page, you will be able to request for a copy of copyright-cleared materials from the artwork and archive collections, excluding library materials. First, read the terms and conditions carefully. If you accept the terms and conditions, check the box so you can proceed to the request form. Please provide your personal particulars, like name, email address, title or designation, organization or professional affiliation, and address. Then proceed to choose your project type. It could be a publication, educational or research, digital, broadcast, exhibition, government or public agency, or personal. Let's say we're requesting for a publication. Choose the publication type and add details about your project. For your requested item, choose from the category before providing the item's details. If you're requesting for this artwork by Georgia Chen, you need to take note of the title, artist name, and accession number. You may request up to 10 items. Make sure to fill in the mandatory fields marked with an asterisk. Lastly, clear CAPTCHA and submit your request. You will receive a confirmation of your request through the email that you provided.